Photoshop magic, ready to be amazed? Get ready to dive into the world of creativity and endless possibilities. Ever see a cool picture and think, how did they do that? Well, you're about to find out. Photoshop is the secret behind those jaw-dropping images. Photoshop. It's easier than you think. With a little guidance, you'll be creating stunning visuals in no time. With just a few clicks, you can make amazing changes to your photos. Transform ordinary images into extraordinary works of art. Are you ready to learn some cool tricks? Let's go. We'll start with the basics and build up to more advanced techniques. In this easy lesson, we'll learn two powerful Photoshop tools, layers and the quick selection tool. These tools are the foundation of many amazing edits. Don't worry, it's fun and simple. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can pick it up and start creating. Soon you'll edit photos like a pro. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your own creations come to life. Imagine swapping backgrounds, removing unwanted objects, or even adding fun things to your photos. The possibilities are endless. That's the magic of Photoshop, and we're about to unlock it together. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's embark on this creative journey together and see what amazing things we can create. Layers, your secret Photoshop weapon. They are the backbone of any complex Photoshop project, allowing you to build and edit your images with incredible precision and flexibility. Think of layers like clear sheets of plastic stacked on top of your photo. Each sheet can hold different elements of your design, from text to brush strokes, without interfering with the other layers. You can draw or make changes on each sheet without messing up the original picture underneath. Cool, right? This means you can experiment freely, knowing that your original image remains untouched and safe. To create a new layer, look for a small icon that looks like a square with a folded corner. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your project. Click it, and voila, you have a fresh, transparent layer to work on. This new layer can be used for anything from sketching out ideas to adding final touches. Now let's grab our brush tool. This tool is essential for adding creative elements to your layers. The brush tool is like a digital paintbrush. It allows you to paint directly onto your layers with a variety of colors and textures. Choose your favorite color, adjust the brush size, and start doodling on your new layer. You can customize the brush settings to get the exact effect you want. See how it doesn't affect your original photo? This is the beauty of working with layers. You can make changes and experiment without any risk. That's the power of layers. They give you the freedom to create, edit, and refine your work in a non-destructive way, making your Photoshop projects more dynamic and versatile. Quick Selection Tool, your time-saving hero. This tool is designed to make your editing process faster and more efficient. Want to select and edit specific parts of your image? The Quick Selection Tool is perfect for that. The Quick Selection Tool is your new best friend. It's intuitive and easy to use even for beginners. It's like magic. It quickly finds and selects areas in your photo with similar colors or patterns. This means you can make precise selections in seconds. Grab the Quick Selection Tool from the toolbar. It looks like a brush with a dotted line. This icon is easy to spot and even easier to use. Now simply click and drag over the area you want to select. The tool will automatically detect the edges and make a clean selection. See how it snaps to the edges? So easy. This feature ensures that your selections are accurate and professional looking. Now you can edit just the selected area without affecting the rest of the picture. This is perfect for making detailed adjustments, change its color, brightness, or even copy and paste it onto a different background. Amazing, right? The possibilities are endless with the Quick Selection Tool. Unleash your creativity. The sky's the limit. Congratulations. You've just unlocked the basic powers of Photoshop. Now it's time to have some fun. Experiment with different brushes, colors, and selections. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play with Photoshop, the more confident you'll become. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks, and stay tuned for more Photoshop tool tutorials in our upcoming videos. Let's unleash your inner Photoshop wizard together.